We're gonna ask this word. Mama, I'm the Play-Doh, Mommy.
You want Play-Doh?
Yeah.
Why buy Play-Doh when we can? Look at Mama. Look at Mama. Make it. Do you want to make Play-Doh?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Come on. Hi guys, welcome to Asal.
Hi. So what are we making today?
We're making flowers.
Flowers? What are we making?
We're making flower this and this.
With flour, yes, but we're making homemade.
Water.
We're making homemade Play-Doh.
First we need to get water.
We're gonna make homemade Play-Doh.
Okay, here's making.
Yes, let's go. Okay, so this is our ingredients. So we only need 2 ingredients, right, Asal? Oh, hold on.
Why?
So we need flour,
Yes.
1 cup, and then we need half a cup of salt and water, 1 cup, or I should say as much as you need, and then food coloring, optional. And then I have these empty Easter eggs, where when the Play-Doh is done, and if you want to store it somewhere, we like to usually use our egg container, I should say.
Go.
Okay, Asal's getting patientless. Okay, first step, Asal. What's first step?
Water.
Not water, remember? Flour. Yes, you dump the flour in the big bowl. Good job. And then we dump the...
This?
And what's that? Salt.
Salt.
Salt. Good job. Dump. A little bit more in there. Good job.
Now water.
Now water. Yes.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Good. And then, let's see. And then you mix it with your hands. Oh my goodness.
Let's go wash my hands.
Almost, but we have to keep mixing. We have to mix the Play-Doh. Keep mixing. Good. I think Asal might need a little bit of help from Mommy. We will be right back. Okay, so this is what we have here. It's not Play-Doh yet. If it's too wet, then you guys continue to add flour little by little. And if it's too dry, then add water. Simple as that.
Mommy, I want to wash my hands.
Asal is kneading the dough and playing with the Play-Doh, but keep kneading the dough. Like I said, guys, if it's too wet, then you add flour. If it's too dry, then you add water. Oh, you made like a scary face. Look at that. Are you ready to add our colors? Okay. Yes, so before we get started, I will help her make 6 different...
I want to make orange.
You want to make orange? Okay, we will. 6 different little balls of dough, and then she could add the colors and knead it.
Now time to do it now.
Okay, guys, so we rolled the dough in small little balls here. And now we will add in our colors.
Now, I would do orange and I would do green.
Okay, let me open the lid for you. Just, yeah, a few more dots. Squeeze it. All right. Okay, start with the yellow, Asal. Let me remove some of these here.
Also, yellow. Thanks. Marshmallow.
Well, we're not gonna do that yet. We're gonna knead the dough. Okay, first is the yellow. Good job, Asal. Okay, Asal, next is the red. Mix it all together. Mix, mix, mix.
Look.
Yeah, color is changing. Keep going. And what color is that, Asali?
Pink.
Pink. Yes. And what color is this?
Green.
Green.
And the next step is done.
Which one are you going to do next?
Blue.
Blue.
I want the stick. Mom, I'm done mixing it.
Let me see how the blue looks. Oh my goodness. That's a pretty color, huh? Put it right beside the other ones. What's next?
Purple.
Purple. Let me see, purple. Oh, it's coming along. Keep mixing it. Wow, look at the colors. It turned out to be so good. Now we will put it inside the eggs. And what color is that, Asal? Green.
Oh, wow.
Yes, put it in the green egg. This is actually a really good idea for Easter as well. So you could just buy the empty Easter eggs from Amazon and then make homemade Play-Doh, and then you could give it for
Here,
a
can you
gift.
help me, Mommy?
Sure. And what color is that?
Yellow.
Yellow, yeah. What color is that?
Red.
Red, good job. And then put the red Play-Doh in there. Can it fit?
Yes.
Yes. And what's next?
Pink.
Pink. Show me the pink. Ooh. Good job. Ooh. Huh? And what's next?
Purple.
Purple. We lost the lid of the purple, so we're using a pink one. Oh, doesn't want to stand. All right, and what's next?
Blue.
Blue.
Thank you for watching.
All right, guys, thank you for watching. That was our Play-Doh video. Like I said, this is a great idea. Non-toxic, homemade. You get them involved, and the good thing is it's just 2 ingredients and water as you need. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.